Getting ready for the Professional Scrum Master I exam? This guide breaks down exactly what you need to pass. The Professional Scrum Master I from Scrum.org is a rigorous, respected certification. What makes it stand out? There's no mandatory training course, which means you can self-study using free resources. Once you pass the exam, the credential is yours for life. It never expires and has no renewal fees. You pay the $200 exam fee once. This makes it a powerful, cost-effective choice for self-starters and those looking for a permanent credential that validates their deep understanding of the Scrum framework. Scrum has two major certifying bodies, Scrum.org and Scrum Alliance. The PSM I requires an 85% passing score on an 80-question exam, making it a tougher assessment than the CSM. In contrast, the CSM requires a mandatory 2-day course that can cost over $1,000, and the certification expires every 2 years, requiring a renewal fee. If you're self-funding and confident in your ability to study independently, the PSM I offers a more challenging but ultimately more valuable path. Your single source of truth for the PSM I exam is the official Scrum Guide 2020. It's only 13 pages long, and every question on the test traces directly back to it. The 2020 version introduced important updates you must know. For example, it replaced roles with accountabilities and self-organizing with self-managing. It also removed the development team as a sub-team, creating one unified Scrum team. Studying older materials is a common pitfall, so focus exclusively on this document. Scrum is built on empiricism, which stands on 3 pillars: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. These pillars are supported by 5 core values: commitment, focus, openness, respect, and courage. The exam will test your understanding of how these concepts work together. For instance, without the value of openness, you can't have true transparency. Memorize these pillars and values, as questions about them are common and foundational to demonstrating your understanding of the Scrum mindset, not just its mechanics. The 2020 Scrum Guide defines one Scrum team of 10 or fewer people with 3 specific accountabilities: the Scrum Master, the Product Owner, and the developers. The exam heavily tests the purpose and time boxes of the 5 events. For a 1-month sprint, remember these maximums: 8 hours for sprint planning, 4 for the sprint review, and 3 for the retrospective. The daily Scrum is a fixed 15-minute event for the developers to inspect progress toward the sprint goal. Success on the PSM I depends on smart practice. Start by reading the 13-page Scrum Guide at least 3 times. Then, use the free Scrum Open Assessment on Scrum.org until you consistently score 100%. Next, move to the Mikhail Lapshin practice quiz, which is considered the community gold standard. Aim for consistent scores of 95% or higher in his timed real mode. This progression builds your knowledge and then tests your ability to apply it under the exam's tight time constraints. Ready to start preparing? Our full guide walks through every concept, provides detailed test-taking strategies, and links to all the free resources mentioned here. You don't need an expensive course to pass. Visit open-examprep.com to access the complete guide and our free PSM I practice questions with AI-powered explanations today.